I lost my drone last night, and because it was very dark, we couldn't access the roof of the place where it was, where it has landed. This is Nico singing because he's very happy with the weather here. And this morning we received a message from the owner of the place, who told me that the drone did land on her rooftop. So I'm very happy I'm going to pick it up. So we finally found the drone and it works. I got Mavic Air. I definitely recommend it because it's so solid. This actually landed 300 meters away from me and we didn't even know where it was.
On the roof.
In a nice place for a second coffee.
Fa la messa. Come senti?
We've been walking for 1 hour and now we are going to our lunch place, which is a Trattoria, and it's supposed to be traditional Italian cuisine. This is where we're going to have lunch today. Supposed to be facing the sea.
No, it's just facing the focaccia.
This is the focaccia that they're making. It's very good. It's really filled with olive oil. So this is the calamar ceviche, and this is the fried anchovies. It looks delicious.
Just enjoy.
This is the squid, and this is the pasta. Est-ce le prochain cuillère? Il y a quoi en dessous? Ah, the chocolate. These are someone, and I got a fruit salad. Actually, there are 2 train stations in Genova, and we thought we would be leaving from the closest one, but actually it's not. So we took a taxi, and the taxi driver was so nice. She basically drove as fast as she could, so we could make it at 1 minute before the train departure. So now we are heading to Cinque Terre, and the train ride should be very scenic because it is a coastal ride along the sea. So it's going to be beautiful.